guys, welcome again sa itong boxing pag ito na guys natin nabili na buy one get one free electric energy saving device na buy one get one. So ngayon guys, mag-unbox na tayo. I-open natin ito guys. Okay guys, at i-open natin siya guys. Yan guys, dalawa siya guys, buy one get one. At basa na lang ako ng instruction guys para makaintindi tayo guys kung paano siya gamitin. Sabi dito, install siya agad sa idle socket. Example, dito guys, socket. Ilalagay lang siya dito guys. Tapos after nyan, underline energy savings throughout the entire circuit. Sa lahat na yan guys. Sabi daw, pag nilagay na ito, makakasave na daw lahat. Kasi ang dami nating ginagamit na appliances at devices, kaya ito, ginamit ito guys. Sabi dito guys, pag continuous or tuloy-tuloy nating paggamit ito, ay wag daw i-remove or ito-turn off ang device kasi ito daw ay maganda at nakakatulong para lumiit yung bill or yung paglaki ng bills. At ang compatible ito sa kahit saan metro na nakapag-save ng electricity. The biggest advantage is to plug and play indoor use. Dapat sa indoor na siya guys, huwag sa labas kasi baka ano mangyari nito guys. Dapat sa indoor na siya, sa loob ng bahay, yung hindi na iinitan. Please may plug into a wall socket the entire household current will be fully controlled. Please may plug into a wall or socket the entire household current and will be fully controlled. How does it save electricity that it be used everywhere? Sabi dito, it uses the latest technology including battery compensation, energy control, active filtering, and automatic intelligent control technology. It is automatically adjust energy saving parameters, reducing power supplies parameters by over 90%. Suitable for all high usage locations. It is efficiently and quickly controls power waves to reduce consumption. Ang hirap guys English. Yan. Tapos yung number 2, where is all the electricity wasted? English. During power supply and transmission, suppliers transmit high voltages than required to avoid transmission losses and low terminal voltages during peak hours. This excess voltage not only fails to enhance equipment efficiency but also cause overheating. Only about 60% of the electricity we use is effective, with around 40% being wasted, which we still have to pay for. Are there any additional benefits besides saving money? Voltage surges can cause electrical appliances to malfunction, increase electricity bills, and shorten their lifespan. Using an energy saver can gradually remove carbon deposits caused by high frequency harmonic clean circuits, extend wire life, and protect meters and appliances. Is energy saving legal? Saving electricity total legal and compliant. Stealing electricity is illegal. And number 5, how much electricity can be saved? According to the factory testing at actual usage feedback from customers, the average electricity saving can reach 30 to 60%. And number 6, does the device consume electricity itself? It consumes very little, only about 0.5 units per month. Tapos may good products come with guarantee. Kagaranti siya guys. Tapos may certificate na sila. Approve na siya. Scientific energy saving, safe and legal. Suitable for cooling fan, 100 watts refrigerator, and 50 watts air conditioner, water heater, 2,000 watts computer, 20 electric light. Ito guys ay suitable for home business. At ito ay model na upgraded version na 90 to 250 volts na may frequency na 50 to 60 Hz. Ang shell life nito ay ABS resistance material. Load weight ay 28,000 watts. Ang size nito ay 98mm, 58mm at 29mm. Ngayon, i-connect na natin siya para lumit na ang ating gamit ng kuryente. Itong dalawa para makasave tayo. Ito yung type. Guys, connect na natin siya. Guys, i-connect na natin siya guys. Agree. Guys, na-unbox na natin ang ating binili na Power Saver Energy. At guys, nasa TikTok shop na siya guys. So guys, pili na guys. Pili na. Nasa showcase guys. Thanks for watching. See you sa next unboxing vlog. Bye bye.